Today, we look at an easy way to make your own surgical face mask. No sewing, no stitching required. Very, very easy way to do this. You need 2 items only. First thing you need is a roll of household towels or kitchen towels, the normal ones you buy at any shop. Tear off 2 sheets and then fold it double like that. Right, and then on the one side, I normally start on the side that's closed, fold it over approximately 2 centimeters like that. And then to the other side, do exactly the same thing. And again, until you've covered the whole length of your towel. Very simple, doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Okay, so what you have is a long strip folded in zigzag of your household towel. The second thing you need are some elastics, just normal run-of-the-mill elastics like this. When you stretch them, they should be approximately 20 centimeters at least when stretched out. So fold your elastic over the end of your towel and put it through a little loop like this. And give it a good couple of tugs to make sure it's tight and doesn't come loose, especially when you're wearing it. You don't want the elastic to come loose. There you go. And do exactly the same on the other side. Around and through the loop. And again, give it a good couple of tugs to make sure it's nice and tight. And that's it. And there you have a quick 3-minute surgical face mask. Very easy to make, very easy stuff to get a hold of at the shops. Just some paper towels and some elastics. You can put these in your bag, in your pocket, if you're going somewhere out in public, just to be safe. So what you do with this is you open it up and you hook it behind the ears. So there you go, and it fits like this. Open it up, fit behind the ears. Very easy, very effective. Just remember, you only need a surgical mask either when you're caring for somebody that's sick or when you are sick. Otherwise, you don't need one of these. Thank you for watching.